Test number 22, part 1. See question number 46. Question number 46 is basically PCl5 reacts with a compound containing. As we know that when there is alcohol and it reacts with PCl5, then OH is replaced by chlorine atom. So basically alkyl halide is formed from alcohol on reaction with PCl5. So question number 46, compound containing OH group. Question number 46, option B is correct. See question number 47. Question number 47 is basically when ethanol reacts with copper heat, as this acts as an oxidizing agent. Cu with heat, copper with heat acts as an oxidizing agent. Number of carbon atom 2, so it will form 2 carbon atoms aldehyde, CH3CHO. So aldehyde is formed. Now when the reaction of alcohol with Al2O3 and heat, as this is dehydrating agent, so dehydrating means removal of water, so water will remove OH from this position, H from this position, so it will form alkene. So products are aldehyde, which is alkanal, and this is alkene. So these two products are formed. So question number 47, option C is correct. See question number 48. Question number 48 is basically phenolphthalein is obtained by heating phthalic anhydride with concentrated H2SO4. As we know, phthalic anhydride is phthalic acid derivative, so C double bond O. This is called phthalic anhydride. When phthalic anhydride reacts with concentrated H2SO4 in presence of, so the reactant involved here is plus, we will use phenol. So phenol, H of this and OH, and also one more phenol molecule, that is OH and H here. Now the reaction takes place as concentrated H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent, so removal of water. So water will be removed by taking 2 hydrogen of phenol and 1 oxygen. Now it will convert into this group, C double bond O as it is, oxygen as it is. This will convert into single bond now, as 2 groups are attached to it. OH para position and OH also there at para position. This compound which we have produced, removal of water by concentrated H2SO4, is called phenolphthalein. This is called phenolphthalein. So basically here we have used with phthalic anhydride, we have used phenol there. So question number 48, heating phthalic anhydride with phenol. Question number 48, option C is correct. See question number 49. Polyvinyl alcohol can be prepared by. Question number 49. Polyvinyl alcohol is prepared by. As we know that polyvinyl alcohol is formed by. Polyvinyl alcohol is formed by hydrolysis of polyvinyl acetate in alkaline medium. So the reaction will be like this: hydrolysis of polyvinyl acetate. So polyvinyl acetate will be CH2 CHO, C double bond O and CH3. Now the reaction of this group in alkaline medium, hydrolysis in alkaline medium. This will form polyvinyl alcohol, that is CH2, CH, OH and N. This is called polyvinyl alcohol. This is called polyvinyl acetate, polyvinyl acetate, and hydrolysis in basic medium. So question number 49, option B is correct. Question number 49, option B is correct. See question number 50. Question number 50. Epoxides are. Basically epoxides are cyclic ether. Epoxide are cyclic ether like this compound CH2, CH2O. As epoxy group is present in between 1 and 2 positions, so we may also call 1,2-epoxyethane. 1,2-epoxyethane is the nomenclature of this compound. So question number 50, epoxides are basically cyclic ether. Question number 50, option A is correct. See question number 51. Question number 51. See question number 51 is basically when phenyl magnesium bromide, that is pH minus and Mg plus, reacts with tertiary butanol. So tertiary butanol is 3 CH3 groups are attached to oxygen atom. Now acid base reaction will take place. This pH group will abstract hydrogen. So this pH will remove hydrogen and it forms benzene. So acid base reaction takes place, it forms benzene and byproduct is CH3, this is byproduct OMgBr. So benzene is the product form here. So question number 51, option A is correct. See question number 52. In question number 52, what is given there? The question is glycerol is. Question number 52 is about glycerol. As we know, glycerol structure is CH2OH, CH, OH, CH2, OH. So basically 3 alcoholic groups are present on glycerol. So basically glycerol is trihydric alcohol, as 3 OH groups are present in glycerol. So question number 52, option D is correct. See question number 53. Question number 53, what is given there? The question is HBr reacts with CH2 double bond CH OCH3. As we know, lone pair is in resonance with the pi system, so bond will break at this position. As on attack of electrophile, this will form this carbocation OCH3. As this is more stable conjugated system, so bond will break to this side, as it will release electron, as it is a part of resonating system. So H plus attack here, H plus ion attack at this position, so it forms this. Now Br minus will attack at this position. The product form will be CH3CH Br OCH3 as a major product. So question number 53, option B is correct. See question number 54. Question number 54, what is given there? Question number 54 is basically which one is not prepared by Grignard reagent. As we know, when we use methanol with Grignard reagent, then 1 degree alcohol is formed. When we use acetaldehyde with Grignard reagent, 2 degree alcohol is formed. When we use ketone with Grignard reagent, then 3 degree alcohol is formed. So 1 degree is formed by Grignard reagent, 2 degree formed by Grignard reagent, 3 degree also formed by Grignard reagent. But ester is not formed by Grignard reagent. So question number 54, option D is correct. See question number 55. Question number 55. In question number 55, what is given there? Resorcinol. Resorcinol. As we know, the structure formula of resorcinol is basically two OH groups at meta position. Turns FeCl3. As we know, phenol reacts with FeCl3 and violet color compound is formed. So phenol reacts with FeCl3. Phenol means benzene containing OH group. So as resorcinol, also gives, as resorcinol have also OH group, it will behave as a phenolic group. So resorcinol will gives test with FeCl3, will react with FeCl3, and the reason is because resorcinol have phenolic group. Phenolic group. As FeCl3 test is given by phenol and resorcinol have phenolic group, therefore it reacts with FeCl3. So question assertion is correct, reason is also correct, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. So question number 55 option A is correct. See question number 56. Question number 56. As we know that in cold countries, ethylene glycol is used. That is CH2OH. Ethylene glycol is used. As we know that ethylene glycol is added. Ethylene glycol is added to lower down. Ethylene glycol is added to lower down the freezing point. To lower down the freezing point of water. So that it does not freeze. So freezing of petrol is avoided by addition of ethylene glycol in the radiator. So question number, it is used to bring down the freezing point lower. So question number 56 option A is correct. See question number 57. Question number 57. Question number 57, basically what is an organic compound X reacts with PCC in forms of CH2Cl2, gives compound Y, and Y reacts with I2, gives iodomethane. It means the test given by Y is iodoform test. And for iodoform test, corner group must contain this compound. So at corner there must be this group. For iodoform test is given by those compounds in which the corner group must be that group. So X, as we know that the compound X is X on treatment with chlorochromate. The organic compound X on treatment with chlorochromate with PCC gives compound Y, and Y on reaction with alkali, as we can see that this compound will give positive iodoform test. This compound will convert into iodoform, and remaining part will convert into salt of acetic acid. So question number 57 option C is correct. That is propanol. See question number 58. In question number 58, what is given there? In question number 58, the question is, ethanol can be prepared more easily by which reaction? As we can see that one is CH3CH2Br. On hydrolysis, it forms ethanol, that is CH3CH2OH. Also it reacts with CH3CH2Br plus Ag2O in boiling water. So it also gives ethanol. So Br will replace by OH. So CH3CH2OH will be formed. So both of the reaction proceed at same rate. Both reaction proceeds at same rate. There is no difference in their rate. So question number 58, option C is correct. See question number 59. See question number 59. In question number 59, what is given there? Which of the following is industrially prepared by passing ethylene to hypochlorous acid? As ethylene is CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethylene. On passing with hypochlorous acid, that is HOCl, so it will break into HONCl. So one group will attach on this and one group attach on this. So this will be CH2. It forms CH2 OH and CH2Cl. Now when this compound is passed with sodium bicarbonate, then again on passing sodium bicarbonate, OH minus will attack in place of Cl, so the product form will be CH2OH, that is ethylene glycol, and byproducts form are CO2 gas with NaCl. So question number 59, option A is correct. See question number 60. Question number 60, what is given there? When ether reacts with O2, as we know that when ether reacts with O2, it undergoes explosion. Due to formation of peroxide. That is O2 2 negative ion. So question number 60, option A is correct.